And then you just cut in wherever you're going in at.
Yeah. I was gonna do both sides because the charge tubes are gonna run up over the top of the motors.
Yeah, so there's a lot of room in there.
Still gotta order chromoly to fucking make some wishbones to hold the fucking turbo. Trying to get some of this fucking shit going. I have to take fucking 7 goddamn lights home Saturday.